What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video we're going to talk about how to fix the slow disk usage error which is happening and how we can fix this up. So let me directly get into the step. The first one, we just need to go over here, open the Steam, and right now once you open the Steam you have to go over here at the top, click on the Steam and directly navigate to the settings. And right now what we need to do is go over here, scroll down and navigate to the downloads. Right now if you scroll down you can see there is an option called clear download cache, which you need to tap on this one, and you have to tap on the clear download cache, which is just like doing a fresh restart to the Steam, and this is going to give you this. Right now what we need to do is it is going to give you a fresh restart, and you need to sign in with your Steam by giving the credentials. And once you're done with this one you have to go over here for the confirm and you have to sign in back, and once after signing back is done you just need to go back over here. And right now as you can see the download region is being set into India Bangalore. So what you need to do is if you're from any other country, for example your location is in United States but this is being set into automatically or by a mistake to India or any other country, just go over here, change it back to the United States. Once you change this back to the United States, what we need to do, you have to set over the location to the nearby region of your geography, which means if you're from in the United States, you have to set United States. For example, if you're in the United Kingdom, you have to select United Kingdom. And once you set the country over here, you have to make sure the limit download speed, if it is turned on, you have to turn this off. And once you're done with this one, you have to save these changes over here, and once afterwards you have to close this and you have to move to the next step. Next step is all about what we need to do is we just need to check for the Steam client update. It's an important one. Sometimes the Steam might be running in an older versions which is causing the issue up. So just go over and click on the Steam. There is an option called check for Steam client updates over here, and right now it is checking over here, and you can see right now it says your Steam client is ready to up to date, which means you're fine with it. I'm on the latest versions, and if you're having any kind of pending updates and all those things, you can just update it. Once afterwards just close this and we need to move to the next step. Next step is all about just go over here, search for the indexing option here. You need to search for the indexing options and you have to click on this one. And right now what we need to do is just need to go over here, we need to click on the advanced, and right now we need to click on the rebuild. That's what you have to do, not rebuild. First thing what we need to do is over here in the troubleshooting, you can see the troubleshooting is there. It's the first one. You need to click on the troubleshooting and click on the rebuild, and you have to go for OK. You have to go for OK. And what's afterwards, what we need to do is we just need to add the Steam. Just click on the advanced, and right now we need to click, not the advanced, click on the modify, and we need to add this one, local disk C, because this is where the Steam is right now installed. So I have to click on this one and I have to go for OK. And once it is done, as you can see, it has been installed, it has been added over here. Now I need to go for the advanced once again, go for the rebuild once again. It is going to go for OK. And right now as you can see, the indexing will be completely taking place over here, and it is going to take a lot of time. So indexing will be completely done. So indexing speed is reduced due to the user activity, which means I'm getting an error, but most probably this will be taking place in between. And once it's completely done, which means the index is completely done. For example, as you can see right now, the 534 items is indexed, and right now it could change it to 1050 item indexed, and it will be taking a little bit of time. So once it's completely done, which means the index process is completely done, once afterwards you have to check, and most probably the issue with the Steam download will be completely fixed, and that's what we have to do. So that's it. Now we just need to close this, and we have to let this So guys, it is going to take a lot of time because indexing is going to take a lot of time. So once the indexing is completely done, we just need to close this and you have to go back to the Steam, and most probably this should be completely fixed and you will not be having any kind of issue with the Steam slow disk usage. And I hope this quick video is helpful, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon next video. Peace out. Bye bye.